Oh! Oh! Squeezed him out. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing. This is the last race of March 2024, March 24th. We're going to go out in F1, so running the Max Verstappen body on my Roche F1 EVO2. Now, no real changes to this week. Actually, no changes at all, other than I'm just trying to hold my transponder in better, so I added a zip tie. That's about it. Everything else, I'm just driving it, enjoying it, really enjoying this car. Also, check out my new little car stand from a friend, 3D printed. Pretty cool. I'm actually running it upside down. It's meant to run like this, but if you run it upside down, you can use it for car storage too. Custom. Cool, eh? My pit partners, no more Roche. He's now running an X-Ray. This is the new 2024 X-Ray. He's currently putting a ball diff in the rear end for the mains. And this one is a brand new X-Ray as well. Brand new, built from the kit. The new 2024 X-Ray X1 2024. This is one of the new X-Ray 2024s going around. This is Qual 3. He's just taken out a front steering support and trying it for. Whoa, that was interesting. Slow motion rollover. There are extra braces you can get on the front sides, and there's an extra brace you can get on the front. You can change the front track width. A whole bunch of cool stuff on this new car. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Anything about the build that was tricky or difficult?
No, not particularly. One thing to add though is you can change the actual overall wheelbase as well.
Oh
right
yeah,
now
so
it's in a
you
long
can do that on the
configuration.
Roche as well.
Yep.
Short and long wheelbase.
Pretty good. So I like the battery tray because it can actually fit the slimmer battery.
Yeah, the battery tray mount is really slick and secure. If you take a side hit, it's all braced in the back. Unlike the Roche, it can move. These are all carbon chassis as well. And they come with a gear diff out of the box, which is kind of neat. And yeah, it just seems to have a little bit more adjustability than the Roche, but it's also double the price. Yeah. And they're hard to get because it's what, 2024. Anyway, good luck.
Thanks, Mike.
We'll see if the Roche can keep up to these new X-rays.
Partly attached.
This is the other new 2024 X-Ray X1 that's here, and here's, you can see these side pod things. These are the stiffeners. So he kept them on, but he took some of the screws out. So it does add a little bit more flex, but it's obviously even more flex if you take them right off. But the X-Ray just has a little bit more adjustability in that respect for stiffness and setup. There's a little bit more you can do. As well, it's the brand new newest car. This has only been out for a couple months, if that. It's very new. He just put a new ball diff in because it actually stripped out the gear diff. The gear diff, again, uses 1.5 mil heads on the friggin' gear diffs. I don't know why they do that, because it's something you need to go in and out of all the time. You strip them out, you're hooped. So yeah, he's got a stripped out screw stuck in that diff. He went to a ball to get through the mains. Good luck, bud. All right, here we go. F1 AMAIN starting in third, P3. And the leader of the last race, the B main, he with this X-Ray X1 2024, he did get the bump, so he's bumped up to the A. Congrats, Jim. Congrats. Had some struggles today with a blown gear diff. He ended up putting a ball in, but won the B main with a ball diff, so that's good. Practice lap.
All right, everybody's checked in.
All right, everyone's checked in. Let's go. All right, here we go. Starting P3, Sunday, March 24, 2024. We got two brand new 2024 X. No, actually, it's a Schumacher, then a new X-Ray, then me and the Roche. I'm not sure what the Ferrari is. I think the back two are the new X-Rays as well. Oh, I almost ran right into the back of you. I should have tried to just pass. That would have been great. I let off. I didn't want to crash. Oh!
That promotes John Kennedy to second place and Jill to third. Eddie's got a bit of work to do. You know he's fast, but he's got to get through.
May have broken my, broke my front wing, but it's holding on.
In the meantime, Mark has the track to himself out front.
My front arrow is compromised.
We got John, Bill, Brad, and Eddie. Oh, Eddie takes out Brad. Passes Brad. Now working on Jill. Blue car is Eddie. Previously second. Now working his way back up after a spin. Jill making his car very wide. Oh, with a little wide on the corner one. Eddie goes on through. Watch the straight.
The top drivers are marking first.
Watch where? That doesn't tell me anything.
Followed by John Kay in second place with a 30 lap 5:04.4 pace. Followed by Jill in third place with a 29 lap 5:0.4 pace. Followed by Eddie in fourth place with a 29
Oh, he keeps spinning out at the end of the straight for some reason. Wasn't doing that in quals, but it is now.
With a 29 lap 5:05.9 pace. Followed by Jim in sixth place with a 27 lap 5:08.2 pace.
Mark is your leader by a good margin right now. He's actually, it is a full lap on Eddie.
There's a leader coming up on my butt here.
After Mark gets past John, he will lap the entire field.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are marking first place with a 33 lap 5:01.5 pace, followed by John Kay in second place with a 31 lap 5:04.4
I gotta keep that blue car behind, but he's reeling me in.
30 lap 5:0.1 pace, followed by Jill in fourth place with a 30 lap
Yikes, overcooked it there.
pace, followed by Brad in fifth place with a 29 lap 5:07.5 pace, followed by Jim in sixth place with a 27 lap 5:10.7 pace.
Oh no, Mark, don't hold this up. Eddie's gonna get me.
Leader is still your green car. Second place is the Red Bull. One car.
Right, mode defend, mode defend.
Third place is now catching John. The battle to watch is the blue car and the Red Bull car. They're in the field now.
2 minutes left.
Eddie closing in on John. Those cars moving around a little more than Eddie's is. Eddie's looking pretty good.
Mode defend, mode defend. Oh! Squeezed him out.
3.6 pace, followed by John Kay in second place with a 31 lap 5:07 pace.
Oh, go, go, go. That's all right. You got me there, but thank you.
Jill in fourth place
It's a good. This will be a good battle.
6.8 pace, followed by Brad in fifth.
Eddie now up in the second place. John is still on Eddie. Infield, blue car, second place, John third. Battle continues.
Oh, push too hard.
John a little wide on the last corner coming on the straightaway.
Thank you, Jim.
1 minute left.
1 minute.
Caught up a little bit of the back markers. That's the leader. He's like half ahead of Eddie. Eddie says, I want that lap.
Oh!
Contact Julie. Race again. That's how it's done, folks. That is the X-ray.
I got caught. I tried to get too greedy and tuck in too tight. That was good though. That was good, Eddie. Oh.
It looks like we've settled into a position now. Eddie is now fully in control of second place. John with a small mistake in the infield.
Followed by Joe in fourth place with a 30 lap 5:05.5 pace.
Oh man, then hitting the boards on the straightaway really slowed me down too.
10 seconds pace. Followed by Jim in sixth place with a 27 lap 5:02.6 pace.
That's it.
Jim done. Eddie done. Jill done.
All right.
John Kay done.
Good battle, Eddie. That was fun. That was fun. Yeah, good race.
Very well.
All right.
Nice race, guys.
Thank you. That was fun. All right. Well, I held on to my third. I tried to hold on to that second best I could, but I failed. But that was fun. That was a really fun battle. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new or subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Then